Hello, here we have a 1938 Royal Aristocrat, serial number B as in Bravo 873804. This machine types 10 characters per inch, is fully functional, has a fresh red and black ribbon installed, and does have its own case. This does have the two-position paper bail. Very, very nice, very surprising to find on a machine this old. Has magic margins on one side. The right-hand margin is set inside here. On the black setting, it's single spacing. Switching to the red. Going to double spacing and caps. Back to the black. And for our type sample, the alignment test, we'll do a lowercase h, followed by a shifted h, another lowercase h, shift lock h, and last lowercase. Very clean print, very crisp and dark. Let's see if I can get the serial number in here for you. It's 8730804. And so there we go. That is 1938 Royal Aristocrat. Glass top keys, full touch control functions, very clean inside, everything works. Ribbon direction, ribbon selector, tabulator worked well, the feet are in excellent condition. Nice and clean inside. And there we are. A very smooth typer.